Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Tech. I hope you guys will be doing great. In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of open source intelligence and we're going to explore a powerful tool called Metagoofil. Basically, Metagoofil is a fantastic utility that allows you to extract metadata from publicly accessible documents on different websites. This can incredibly be useful for gathering information during investigations, research, or security assessments. Well, unlike my other videos, let's talk a bit about Metagoofil, how it works. Basically, Metagoofil plays a crucial role in performing reconnaissance for several reasons, making it an important tool in the realm of information gathering and cybersecurity. So, actually, metadata performs great. It has a great impact in data extraction, metadata extraction. Metagoofil excels at you can say that extracting metadata from publicly available documents such as PDF, docs, XLS files, and more. Basically, metadata often contains valuable information about a document, including author names, email addresses, document titles, revision history, and timestamp. This metadata can be incredibly useful during reconnaissance as it provides insights into the document's original and potentially sensitive details. Uh, when talking about OSINT, Metagoofil adds in open source intelligence gathering by automating a process of retrieving information from a public document. OSINT is critical for understanding an organization's digital footprint, identifying potential vulnerabilities, and assessing its online presence. So, Metagoofil simplifies the process and aggregating data from publicly available documents. Competitive analysis, specifically in a business context, organizations can use Metagoofil to gather information about their competitors by analyzing publicly accessible documents on competitors' websites. It also provides security used in research as well as in digital forensics. In digital forensics investigations, Metagoofil can be used to extract basically the crucial information from documents found on suspect systems or publicly accessible web servers. This can aid in building a case and uncovering evidence related to cybercrimes. All right, enough with talking, so let's dive into the Metagoofil and see how it works. Well, this is our Kali Linux machine that we installed in our last video. So let's launch a terminal on Kali Linux system and you're gonna see a command line on Metagoofil. So let me tell you one more thing. In most Kali Linux installations, Metagoofil is pre-installed. You can skip this step if you're using Kali Linux. If not, you can install using this sudo command. First, you have to provide it root accessibilities, and then you have to type apt-get install Metagoofil. If not already installed, we're gonna see what it says. It's asking about the password. You're gonna provide your password. So because I already have installed Metagoofil in my system, so we are gonna directly run in this command to launch our system. All right, so we've gotta just type the command line. Don't worry about the script. I'll provide you in comment section. Basically, it's going to start Metagoofil. Minus T or dash D means the domain. You can change the domain and you can find information whatever you want. Let's say I'm just wanna see what TikTok is doing over internet and accept of this XLS. Let me change that to PDF, and then it will search up to 10 top results that we were going to have in Metagoofil. So let's see what it brings for us. All right, I think there's a problem in spelling mistake, so let us just get it corrected. TikTok.com, and then we'll see the top results, top 10 results that is being grabbed from TikTok in PDF. All right, guys, you can see the results. Let's just open randomly a link, and we can see that what Metagoofil brought for us. Okay, It is just some kind of PDF containing some random language. Let's open another document and see what document got for us. Basically, the idea behind this Metagoofil was just to bring out the information that is publicly available on the internet, just for you guys. I mean, let's say you are penetration testing, or you're performing some kind of analysis on any kind of website. You can put simply that website, and you can bring all those documents, provided by the website over internet. So let's open another one and see what it got for us. This is being opened, so we've got to wait a little. Okay, so it's just making creating some kind of marketing PDF. So I meant to say that this video just the reason behind this video was just to tell you guys how important or how powerful is reconnaissance. So that was all from my side, guys. So thank you for joining me in this exploration of Metagoofil, a powerful tool for open source intelligence. We have covered many things in this video, from the installation and basic use of Metagoofil to its importance in reconnaissance and various other use cases. So stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the world of cybersecurity with OSINT. Thank you so much for watching CyberTech, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.